It just holds the truck.
I hear you.
That slows you down.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are getting the car ceramic coated. So the guys out here, man, so let's go out here and get this done. I've been wanting to get this done for a long time. Sorry about the TV on, but it's time to get this car coated, guys. Let's go. I did wash the car the other day, so it is shining a little bit, but it's been outside, so it has pollen all over it, but they about to get it right. And as you can see, I have little imperfections on here. I don't know if you guys can see that. This hood definitely needs a little work. So they're gonna do a paint correction. They're gonna coat the wheels, the glass, and obviously the whole car. Because it definitely needed this black. Y'all know how that go. And the front of these cars are so soft. Anything would nick and chip the front bumper on these cars. So the ceramic coat is definitely needed. Guys, so you see all that purple? That's all the metal, he said, that's coming from off the paint and off the wheels.
First we took the metal out of the paint. We saw that purple that was going down.
Yes.
Cleaned the wheel out completely, made it spick and span. Then we go and we coat it with ceramic.
Quick, guys, I know it's loud, but he polished this side already. Look at that, man. That's without the ceramic coat on it. That's crazy what polish does. Alright guys, he's still working on it, but we're getting a preliminary look. Look at that thing, it's like glass. Man, oh man. Sheesh. Man. It's all done, but it's still drying. Well, curing is what they call it. But check it out. Oh my goodness. She is blinking. All right, take care. Appreciate it. Look at that. That thing is blinging. And it's not even dry yet. But I want to give you guys a quick walk around. And I'll update. These bugs out here is ridiculous. I'll update you guys once it cures. So like I put it back in the garage and let it dry. This thing is, and right now there's a lot of pollen and stuff out here, so I gotta put it in the garage, man, for it pollen take over. But this thing is bling bling, guys. I'm super satisfied. Tell me what y'all think, man. Leave your comments. I should have been done this to this car. Look at that, man. I think it's like water, ice. That's crazy. And they did my rims, tires, everything ceramic coated. Like I say, once it cures, I'm gonna like wipe it down, and it'll look even better. Wow. Alright guys, it is the next day, man. It is the next day. The car's in the garage. It's still drying, or curing is what they call it. I'm super happy with the results. The system that I went with, well, the product I went with is called System X Crystal SS Ceramic Nano Coating. Now, I could have picked all kinds of different products to go with. I'm super happy with what I selected. And guys, I know for a fact there's a lot of different products you can use. There's a lot of different ways to have this stuff applied to your vehicle. These guys been doing this for years and years and years, so you know exactly what they're doing. Before he did my car, he did an AMG Mercedes. So these folks know what they're doing. That's why it took me so long to actually get it done, because I wanted to find the right company to do it. I'm aware that there's a lot of different ways to do it. I know one company I reached out to, they say they needed to hold my car for 2-3 days and blah, blah, blah. So some people do it outside, some people do it inside. It all depends on the product, the car, the temperature. It's a lot of different factors to determine whether or not, where you can apply this product. This is not one of the super expensive ones. I didn't feel the need to spend a whole bunch of money on this. For the most part, my car, I don't daily drive my car. I take care of my cars. So I didn't need something super, super expensive. With this coating, you can actually register it with Carfax. So we're definitely going to Carfax, which may or may not help out the value of the car. I'm really not concerned with that part of it. So I'm going to leave a link in the description, guys, where you can read up on it, see if it's something you're interested in. I'm super satisfied so far with what I've seen. Again, I'm still waiting for it to dry. I'm not supposed to wash the car for at least 7 days or something like that. I won't be able to give my full reaction to how it looks until the 7 days is up. I'm able to do the first rinse off. I can really kind of wipe it down myself, really see exactly how it looks in the sunlight. At the end of the day, guys, I mean, I'm super satisfied. I didn't pay an arm and a leg for it. Like I said, I just didn't feel like I needed to spend a ton of money on this. It's not that serious to me. Yeah, I do want to protect the paint, but I'm not going to break the bank just to put a ceramic coat on the car. It's not that serious. Actually, by watching them do it, I probably could have done it myself. It's really just about having the right equipment and the right product. The main thing is the prep. I mean, he got to the crib about 8 o'clock. He didn't leave till about 5. So it wasn't like he just got there and he was done within an hour. My man took his time and did that job correct. So I got to give him props on that. I know some shops, they say you got to drop the car off and leave it with them for a couple of days to let it sit in there and cure and blah, blah, blah. With this product, my man came, got it done within 8 to 9 hours, put it in the garage now, wait for it to dry. And I'll be back in business. I'm super excited. I can't wait. I actually miss my car. I want to drive it, man. It's like when I was putting it in the garage, I wanted to go for a ride. He told me I could drive it if I want to, but I figured why do that? You know what I'm saying? I've been waiting all this time to get it done. Might as well finish it out. You know, might as well follow the rules and do it like it needs to be done, so everything will turn out perfect. Because it's supposed to be raining the next few days, so there's really no point in bringing a car right now. There's just no point in doing that. And the content that I have coming for the car, I'm gonna have to wait for that stuff to dry, because I don't want anybody touching all on the paint and touching all on the body of the car, trying to install some of the things that I have ready to be installed on my 300. It's funny, man. It just seems like nobody's really making any content with these cars anymore. All people doing is talking about the dealerships or talking about Stellantis and what they're doing. Like, I don't even care about that stuff no more, guys. I'm all about getting back to the cars. You know, doing the little mods I want to do. As far as spending time on what Stellantis going to do for the future, the EVs and the markups and all that stuff. I'm so tired of hearing about that and making videos about that crap. I can care less. I want to make videos about enjoying my car. I'm just burnt out with all the negative videos about Dodge and Stellantis and all that stuff. I mean, at this point, people just making videos just for views, because for whatever reason, those videos get pushed out there. This video I'm going to drop probably won't even get 2,000 views, because nobody cares about that. People always want to see something negative. They want to keep talking about the same stuff over and over and over again. And if all I'm gonna get is 2,000 views, that is what it is. Cause I'm done with it. I'm trying to enjoy my car. I bought this car for a reason. I know some of you guys want to enjoy your car. You want to keep hearing about what Stellantis is doing. That's a $1 billion company. Them people gonna do what they're gonna do. So again, guys, I'm gonna be doing a reveal video, show you guys exactly how the car looks, man, with the ceramic coating. So leave a comment. I appreciate y'all watching, man. I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.